Hello, and welcome to our video presentation on the AMG Time Nursing Home module. The Nursing Home module gives healthcare organizations the ability to automatically calculate Nhppd ratios to make sure that they meet the minimum requirements set by both government regulation and the business's policies. The benefits of this module include the ability to easily schedule and track employee hours per job and to quickly generate reports to turn into state and federal organizations, making sure you are compliant. We streamlined this process by including this feature within the time and attendance program, since labor hours spent and recorded at healthcare facilities are what state and federal governments are looking for in their analysis. Let's go ahead and take a look at how some of these features work. First and foremost, this module allows the user to configure what their facility's nursing hours per patient day rate is. For this, we will navigate to the Tools section and select General Settings. Here you will find a tab called Nhppd Scheduling. Here is where you will fill out your minimum hours per patient day, the total number of beds, your facility ID, as well as your CDPH license if it applies. After you are finished configuring the section, it is important to select the exact categories and jobs needed to calculate your Nhppd ratio. First, let's ensure the appropriate jobs will calculate towards Nhppd. You also have the option to choose a percentage. For example, you might only want 50% of the job to count towards the Nhppd ratio. Once you are finished configuring jobs, you will need to tell the system what pay categories you want to calculate towards the ratio. Usually this is only work time, but you could have more if you have added more categories, such as training time. After setting up categories, we will go to the shift section and add the necessary shift groups: day, eve, and night. This will ensure the scheduling piece will be broken up properly. Once we have our shifts, we are ready to start scheduling. Under the Standard section, go to the Nhppd Scheduling tab. First, select what group of employees you want to see the schedule for, and select what time period you want the system to display, and then click on Refresh. Now that you see the schedule, you will be able to see your census and Nhppd ratio. It will be in red if the minimum ratio has not been met. To assign shifts, select a day or group of days that will all have the same schedule, and click on Edit Checked. Here, you will need to select one of the shift groups, either day, eve, or night, as well as the individual shift. Next, ensure you have selected the appropriate job from the Job drop-down menu. After you are finished setting everything up, you have 5 attendance-based reports that you can view. These include the Nhppd projected schedule, which shows the daily projected census count, staff count by shifts and jobs, and PPD ratio. We also have the actual recorded hours report, which shows the actual recorded hours and actual PPD ratio for each day, and the details for the day, eve, and night shift groups. Another of the reports is the Nhppd analysis, which shows the projected and actual employee count and worked hours for direct patient care both in total and separately for each shift and job. Next, we have the census and nursing hours per patient day, which shows the general information about the patient census and nursing hours. Last but not least, we have the nursing staffing assignment and sign-in sheet, which shows the employee's start and end times, as well as the assignment, and requires the employee to sign and agree. In addition to these reports, this module also comes with a PBJ exporting feature, which you can learn about in our PBJ video presentation. That is all for the Nursing Home module. Thank you for your attention.